Imagine a country where trains run faster than bullets, where robots work side by side with humans, and where people live longer than anywhere else on earth. Yes, this is Japan, but behind this technological marvel lies a history filled with innocent warriors, revolutions, and stories that will amaze you. Hello everyone, I am Anis and you're watching World Info Hub, your go-to place for fascinating stories, history and amazing facts about the world. Today let's dive into the history of Japan and uncover some of the most interesting facts about the incredible country. Short history and information about Japan. Japan, an island nation in East Asia, has a history that spans thousands of years. The earliest people arrived on its island around 10,000 BC. By the 4th and 5th centuries AD, the Yamato clan rose to power, establishing the first unified Japanese state. This marked the beginning of Japan's imperial dynasties, which continues to this day. In the 8th century, Japan entered the Heian period, known for its remarkable developments in literature and culture. It was during this time that the famous tale of Genji was written, often considered the world's first novel. By the 12th century, Japan saw the rise of the samurai, allied warriors who would dominate the country for centuries. The samurai led Japan through the Kamakura, Muromachi, and Edo periods, shaping the country's military and political landscape. In the 19th century, Japan experienced the Meiji Restoration, a period that transformed the country from a feudal society into an industrial powerhouse. Despite the devastation of World War XI, Japan emerged as a global leader in technology, innovation, and economy. Interesting facts about Japan. Number 1. Japan is made up of over 6,800 islands. Yes, you heard that right. Japan isn't just one island, it's an archipelago made up of thousands of islands with four main ones: Honshu, Hokkaido, Kyushu and Shikoku. Number 2. Japan is a robot paradise. It's no surprise that Japan is a world leader in robotics, from humanoid robots to industrial machines. Japan is at the forefront of robotic technology, and robots are integrated into everyday life. Number 3. Japan has the longest life expectancy in the world, with an average life expectancy of over 85 years. Japan's citizens live longer than anyone else on earth. A healthy diet, strong community bonds, and excellent healthcare contribute on this longevity. Fact number 4. The Shinkansen, world fastest trains. Japan's famous bullet trains, the Shinkansen, travel at speeds of up to 320 kilometers per hour. These sleek high-speed trains connect cities across the country, making travel faster and more efficient. Number 5. Unique work culture. Napping at work is encouraged. In Japan, taking a short nap at work, known as a inamuri, is not seen as lazy but as a sign of hard work and dedication. It's common to see employees catching a quick nap to recharge during long work. So there you have it, from ancient warriors to high-tech robots. Japan is a country like no other. Its rich history and fascinating facts make it one of the most unique places on earth. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to World Info Hub for more amazing documentaries and fun facts. Stay tuned for more exciting stories, and I'll see you in the next video.